In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for Google Chat messages in Gmail. Whether you're trying to recall a specific conversation or need to find a crucial piece of information shared in a chat, knowing how to search effectively can save you time and frustration. Let's dive right in to make sure you can find exactly what you're looking for. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. You'll want to log in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, take a moment to get familiar with the interface. On the left panel, you'll see various options, including your inbox, sent items, and more. But what we're focusing on today is the search bar at the top. This search function is incredibly powerful and can sift through not just your emails, but your Google Chat messages as well. In the search bar, type in what you're looking for. It could be a word, a phrase, or even the name of the person you were chatting with. Remember, the more specific your query, the better the results will be, so don't hesitate to include as much detail as possible. After you enter your search terms, click the magnifying glass icon or simply hit enter on your keyboard. Now, here's a quick tip. At the bottom of the search bar, you might see a filter box or the term All Mail with a drop-down menu. This is crucial. To search specifically within Google Chat Messages, click on this drop-down menu and select Chat Messages. By narrowing down to chat entries, you eliminate email results, which brings you quicker and more relevant outcomes. As you review the search results, you'll notice they are broken down into sections. You might see email matches first and then chat matches. It's important to scroll down if necessary to view all chat results. If you clicked on a search term specific to chats, they should ideally appear near the top. When you locate the chat you're interested in, click on it to open the message thread. This will allow you to see the full context of the conversation. If your original search wasn't quite right or you still can't find what you're looking for, don't get discouraged. Try refining your search terms a little more by adding keywords or phrases you remember from the chat. You might also reconsider your spelling or date of the conversation, as these can affect search results. And there you have it, a straightforward way to search for Google Chat messages within your Gmail account. This process is designed to be intuitive, but with these extra tips, you'll be navigating your messages like a pro. Practice a few times, and you'll find it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more tech tips and guides.